Hi everyone, this is Asus RP-AX58. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up this Wi-Fi extender using the smartphone application. Smartphone connection is my preferred method because computer web interface is pretty stubborn and smartphone is very convenient. So first you need to plug in your extender into a power outlet next to your router in the same room within 1 meter distance is recommended, and wait until this indicator turns blue. After this you can start your connection. So install the Asus extender application on your smartphone. It's available in Google Play Store and App Store. So let's open the app. Allow to use your location while using app. Allow to find devices on local networks. This is very important, so allow. OK in this pop-up and just wait for a while. Wait for the further instructions from the application. Tap on Setup Extender. And what you need to do now is connect to Asus RP network. So make your way to Wi-Fi network list, depending on your device. Find Asus network. If you don't see it in this list, just refresh your Wi-Fi, switch it off and on back again. So find Asus RP, connect to this network. Go back to the application and tap on this arrow. Now select a place for your router. Where do you wish to place it later? Let it be just in bedroom or in living room, never mind. So next step, if you see this window connection failed, just try again. You need to close the application completely, open it once again. Make sure you are connected to Asus network, not to another network. Setup extender. Arrow, location, next step, and just wait. Now you see the list of available networks. You need to select your network from this list and enter your password 2 times in this field and in the next field. Done, then next field. Once again done, and next step. Now you can use the same settings as your home network for name and password, or uncheck this checkbox and separate the extender from your main network. But I prefer the first option because it creates the seamless network and my devices will automatically be connected to a network at the highest possible speed. Hit the next step and create password for your admin panel, so you will be able to manage settings using this password. Repeat the password. Done, and next. This is a suggestion to create stronger password, but we don't need it for this example. Now it's creating the extender's network. And once you see this white indicator over here, you're all set, but let's wait for the application reaction. So now you can go back to your Wi-Fi settings and connect to your home Wi-Fi network. I'm already reconnected automatically and the extender is set up. Once done, tap on Finish. Wait for a while. Extender is restarting. And actually now you're all set. Once you see the solid white indicator, you just seen extender is restarting because of application bug. You can close the application, open it once again, and you can see that you are connected. Now you can unplug your extender and move it to a better place, somewhere in Wi-Fi dead zone, in the next room or somewhere else. But just make sure that you have white indicator here. If you see red indicator, it means no signal and you need to move your extender closer to the router. And actually that's pretty it, guys. You can manage your extender over here. You can rename your network, change password, and so on. You can reboot, restore, log into your account. I hope this was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button. Any questions, comment below, and see you in the next videos. Bye guys.